Hello friends. In today's episode we will delve into the 7 fatal mistakes or reasons why your seeds might not be germinating or sprouting. This knowledge and the tricks shared in this video could take your vegetable gardening to the next level, ensuring nearly 100% success in seed germination. We'll also provide an explanation for my previous episode on bell pepper seed germination. All that's coming up. Seeds are magical for gardens. Tuck them into the soil, add a little water, and you're on your way to a beautiful bloom or a tasty harvest. Whether you're a beginner or an expert gardener, you can significantly improve your success by avoiding these common errors we'll discuss shortly. Germinating seeds is in fact a simple process, but when seeds fail to sprout it can be disheartening, leading some to lose interest in gardening altogether. However, it's essential to take the time to evaluate or diagnose the problem. Please watch until the end, as I'll be addressing some crucial issues and answering the query from my previous episode. Why didn't my seeds germinate? If you haven't watched that episode yet, you can check it out from the card linked here. Now let's dive into the 7 fatal mistakes, or answers to seed germination problems. If your seeds haven't sprouted within the appropriate time frame, the most common reason could be that they are not viable. Always check the expiry or best before date on the seed packet and purchase seeds from reliable sources. Improper storage, such as in moisture, can cause seeds to rot or mold. Here are 2 simple hacks to test seed viability. First, pour the seeds into a container of water. If they float, they're not viable. Discard them and choose only those that sink to the bottom. Another method involves using wet toilet paper in a Ziploc bag. Keep the seeds in the bag for 24 to 48 hours, and check for sprouting to assess viability. Additionally, consider the maturity of the seed pod, especially when growing seeds from fruits or vegetables. As seen in my previous episode, seeds from green bell peppers may not germinate while those from yellow and red peppers do. This difference can be attributed to the maturity of the capsicum, which transitions.